I think pinakamadali talagang way para magkaroon ka ng first credit card mo is of course through a secured credit card. I know secured credit cards are not as exciting compared dun sa mga regular credit cards. Well, kasi nga meron siyang security deposit. But data shows na having a secured credit card, i-maintain mo lang yan for a year or two and for sure ma-offeran ka talaga ng isang regular credit card. Most banks naman kasi talaga, kaya ang gusto nila is yung may existing credit card na kasi yung mga yon meron ng credit history. Having a secured credit card is a way for you to build your credit history, your credit score, para syempre maging basis yan ng mga bangko to offer you a regular credit card. Since yung provider din naman ng mga major credit cards dito sa Philippines, katulad ng BDO, BPI, Security Bank, and iba pa, is nag-o-offer din ng secured credit cards. And since yung security deposit mo naman is refundable din naman yan upon closing of the account, as long as syempre wala kang balance dun sa secured credit card mo.